Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, all the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're taking a look at MoreMins, found at https://www.moreminutes.com. This service promises to help you maximize your minutes, but does it deliver? Based on my time exploring MoreMins, I found it to be a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling and improve overall productivity. The platform offers a clean and intuitive interface that makes navigating its features a breeze. Whether you're juggling multiple projects, coordinating team meetings, or simply trying to get a better handle on your day-to-day schedule, MoreMins provides a range of functionalities designed to simplify the process. From what I've seen, the scheduling features are robust, allowing for easy appointment booking and management. Furthermore, the integration with existing calendar applications appears seamless, eliminating the need for double entry and reducing the risk of scheduling conflicts. One aspect that I particularly appreciate is the flexibility MoreMins offers in terms of customization. You can tailor the settings to match your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a truly personalized experience. While I'm still in the process of fully exploring all the features, my initial impression of MoreMins is extremely positive. It seems like a well-designed platform with a lot of potential to help users reclaim their time and optimize their schedules. I encourage you to check out MoreMins yourself and see if it fits your workflow. It might just be the solution you've been searching for to gain those extra minutes in your day. Don't forget to visit the link in the description below, and be sure to let me know your thoughts on MoreMins in the comments.